This is the Blendtec Designer 650 blender. It's one of the most powerful blenders and the ideal all-in-one appliance for living a healthier lifestyle. Look how sleek and professional it is, yet it's easy to use. Pop on the jar, plug it in, and you're ready to blend. With 6 pre-programmed blend cycles, press one button and walk away. Blendtec does the rest of the work for you. It also has an 8-speed touch slider to fully customize the blend how you want it. And believe me, with almost 1,560 watts of power, it can blend anything. You're getting 2 jars to make blending easier than ever. The wild side jar has a square design and pulls ingredients closer to the blade for a better blend. Plus, single-serve smoothies are easier than ever when you blend in the included Blendtec Go travel bottle. Then top with the travel lid for on-the-go convenience. Best of all, you get an 8-year warranty, and it's all made right here in the USA. Take the guesswork out of a healthier lifestyle with this powerful, dependable blender from Blendtec.